Hey everybody, I'm Tyler and I'm 13, and I'm going to tell you about the AYAMAYA aluminum trekking poles today. So this is what it's going to look like straight when you open it.
Straight out of the package.
Yeah, after it arrives. So you got different feet options depending on your environment. And then you got some reflective tape that you can put on them depending on what you need it for. So if you need cars to see you if you're doing a long urban hike, or more safety on the trail, or if you're using them for ultralight backpacking.
Cool. With the ultralight side of things, I've seen a lot of people that use the trekking poles as part of their tent setup or as part of their tarp setup. So if you're using it at that capacity, it would be good to have that reflective tape on there, just because you don't want people running into it in the middle of the night or whatever, knocking over your setup. So it's good to be visible in pretty much any situation. Okay, show it to us.
So let's just start from the top and go down. So what you got a nice cork handle, super comfortable, easy to grip. And then next you got your strap. It's got really nice fleece lining.
Nice.
Something like that.
Yeah, it's comfortable. It's got a little bit of cushion in there. I like it. Shows how that kind of works.
Just stick your hand through and then you can grab it.
So that keeps it it's actually a lot easier physically as you're hiking to kind of have that wrist support there. Mm-hmm. And then if your grip slips or whatever, you haven't dropped your pole either. So you can let go to scratch your face or anything along the trail. Cool.
I'll talk about these a little bit later. So when it comes, it's got this clip and it just connects them. So you can throw it out if you want, or if you need them connected so they're not jostling around in the car, you can keep it.
Yeah, it's kind of a nice little touch. I mean, use it or don't use it, but that's kind of keeps them together.
So then down here you have two different types of clips. You have your quick
two different
flip
clip. two different adjustments.
So you flip it, and then wherever you want it, close it. And then down here, you twist the bottom, pull it out, and twist it back.
Now on those twisting ones, this is kind of just a tip. Don't untwist it too far, right? Just twist it just enough that it can slide, and then tighten it back down again.
Maybe one and a half times.
You don't want to, yeah, perfect.
And then down here, you got your feet. So this one's just a rubber foot. You can take it off. It's got a spike, and down here, these are some threads. So what these are used for.
Hang on. Try to make it focus here. There we go. Okay.
So what these are used for is you take these things off, and then you take them, put them over this, and then screw them on. And so you can use those in the snow or the mud, whatever you're needing it for.
So if you're in like a soft terrain where you don't want your pole sinking all the way down in the ground, that's like the bigger ones, right? So especially this one would be like for snow. This one probably for mud. Experiment with those and just get whichever one's the most useful for you, right? Cool.
And then it's got two adjusters. So you got one and then two. And the reason it's got that is, let's say I was like 1.5 feet taller. I'd need it probably up here so I can adjust it.
So you can,
but if you were really short,
height,
you can have it a lot shorter.
Cool. Now these are also shock absorbing too, right? Are they spring loaded? Show us how that.
So you push it down.
Yeah, so that adds a nice little kind of it's a subtle comfort level that you experience on the trail, but those shock absorbing trekking poles are actually quite nice.
So if you come closer, you can hear it.
Yeah, you can see it going too. Perfect. Awesome. Anything else to add on this, Tyler?
No. Really nice, super light. Yeah.
Strong, durable. Looks good to me.